ang Region 4A, Calabarzon, ay known for good food. Napakasarap ng ating pagkain. Pinag-uusapan ng paulit-ulit. So, nung nangyari yung Madrid Fusion last year, na-showcase natin yung ating mga kaibigan sa kusina. Nakita ko ang libro after, dito lang, mga 3 weeks ago, sabi ko hindi ako papayag na hindi natin ilo-launch. Kasi kailangan na nating dalhin sa center stage ang pagkain pagdating sa turismo. At ito na yung kailangan ng ating mga kaibigan, itong mga stakeholders natin in tourism, na mabigyan sila ng kaukulang recognition at kaukulang suporta.
Kasi my inspiration is my grandmother and the delicious memories I grew up with. And then along the way, you know, kung halimbawa 25 gastronomy destinations, can you imagine kanina we were on daily, ang daming taong kinakausap, but it has been a blissful experience to be able to impart and meet this kind of people who actually see the value of it. Kasi culinary heritage, pamanang lahi yan, ibig sabihin, you have to pass it on from one generation to another, otherwise you will lose it. The inspiration are actually the people, the destination that I met along the way. Yung gumagawa ng pinangat, yung gumagawa ng longganisa sa palengke, yung mga ganon. And then, yung mga, magsasaka, tsaka yung mga boatmen, lahat ng taong involved. And then the local historians, how they speak with so much passion just to be able to share, how they selflessly share their priceless information. Sa ating mga go-negosyante, inimbitahan ko kayo na makikain na tayo sa buong Pilipinas.